All right, go ahead and start it up. Just run it up and then back. Now go back. Now just come back up with it. That's good.
Turn the spindle on?
Yeah, that should be good. Oh yeah, turn the spindle on.
Get out of the way or what?
Yeah, you can hear it pretty quiet. The spindle's good and quiet. Let me see here. Oh, I was trying to get over here to where. Okay. Good dog. I don't know if it go down another gear. Just change it. This big one here, just change it to another gear. Now that's probably a high gear. Just turn it on for a second. Oh, that's a low gear. That's a low gear. Okay, but all the gears work. All right.
No, not in gear.
Not engaged.
Yeah. I think that is. Yeah.
They can hear the spindle bearings. It's got everything's good. It's good and quiet.
Off now?
Okay, I'll tell you.